What's up, everybody? I did a review on that HOBART Champion 135 welder, 145 welder, and I did a review on my take of it, what I liked about it, what I didn't, and everything. And I figured I got a little project right here, wanting to weld this receiver sleeve onto this grapple hook onto this small little tractor right here. It's a tractor we use for cleaning up brush piles and stuff like that around the farm and stuff if we cut fence rows and out. And it's easier to get around in this little tractor than it is our bigger tractor. So we've got a set of fence post augers that go on the front right here that run off our front hydraulics. Makes digging post holes a lot easier. You know, the tractor does all the work, which I'm not, you know, I like that pretty well. But the post hole diggers, the auger, has a receiver head on it that you slide in and out to attach it to the tractor. That's what, you know, connects it and everything. And we used to have one right here, but we had to take it off because putting the grapple hook on, we didn't have room for it because the frame that goes across right here. And we're going to actually take the grapple head off and leave the frame on, and we're getting ready to do a little bit of fencing, running some new fence and stuff. So I'm going to weld this on so we can put that auger on here, and I figured that would be a good opportunity to show you just the kind of exactly what kind of bead that you can run off of that welder over there, and you know, just kind of show you the profile and everything of how it is. And now keep in mind, I'm far from a professional. I can weld, I know how to weld, things stick, but I'm not claiming that I'm some professional, you know, welder on the pipeline every day and everything. So this is generally the kind of stuff that I do with my mobile business, and I figured right now would be a good opportunity to bring you along. What I'm going to do is draw me a couple of lines where this thing's going to go so I can weld the paint off, so I can grind the paint off and get a better stick and everything with it. So y'all sit tight, and then whenever I get everything wrapped up, I'll bring y'all over here and I'll show you the bead profile and everything on it so y'all can judge how y'all think the Champion will lay a bead. And let's not forget, stay flat. Now I do have regular grinders. I got a 7-inch grinder, and then I got a little 4.5, 5-inch grinder. But for this right here, it was just easier for me to grab the battery powered for no more than what I'm doing. So I'm gonna run around here in the trailer and fire the welder up and see if I can't get a couple of beads laid down tonight. Now I'm going to be running on this probably about 120 amps on 7018, 8-inch rod. It's not my scale. The only thing that I don't don't like about this is a little coating that they put on the handle right here. It tends to wear off real easy, so you got to watch laying it down or it'll spark off. I wrap mine with electrical tape for the time being, but I do like this little. It kind of moves good. You can turn it, that thing is not real stiff right there. Alright guys, yeah. This is a new little camera. I think it's going to have a hard time focusing. There we go. It's got it right there. So, this right here is the bead profile from that right there. From that welder. Now like I said, I am not by any means a professional that does it all the time. That one's a little bit ugly right there. Wasn't able to get all the slag off of it simply because of that bolt being right there in the way. Give me just a second here. There we go. So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up with that right there. That's all we're gonna do, and the reason I put so many passes on it is just because it will take just a hair bit of a beating on it. Not that bad of one, just where it's just being pushed into the ground right there. The auger really does all the work. You just put just a hair bit of pressure on that receiver right there, but overkill is an understatement. That's what I always like to say. So hey, if y'all like the video, drop a thumbs up, or a comment down there. And if you would have did this a different way, or had different ideas or different plans on something, drop it down there in comments and let me know. I'm all about learning. I'm all about taking constructive criticism. I'll give what little advice that I got. I'm just a farm boy that went to school for a little while to learn how to weld. And I do the best I can with it. I thoroughly enjoy it. This is my recreation, really. Instead of playing golf and stuff like that, I'd rather be under the hood welding something because I just enjoy it. But yeah, if y'all got any questions, any tips, anything that sticks out that y'all might be able to give me a little bit of advice on, drop it down there in the comments. We'll have a conversation down there, and maybe other people can learn from our conversations, or other people can learn from the advice that you give. So y'all be safe out there.